Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making some not so traditional soup. For this soup, anything goes. So I'm making some roly-poly or some spinach dumpling, and I'm going to be putting those in to my pot, and then I'm going to let them boil for a bit, because everything else that I'm putting in is easy to boil. So I'm just going to put my dumplings in, and then I'm going to come back and show you. Oh, also I'm going to be adding in my carrots. So I'm putting in some carrots and some flour, guys, some flour dumplings. And I'm going to leave these to boil for a while, like I said, and then I'm going to come back and put the rest of my ingredients. Stay tuned. Okay, now that my dumpling and my carrot has been boiled for a little while, probably about 8 minutes or so, I'm now going to be adding in my potatoes, my white potatoes, chopped into cubes. That's my potato. So that's my carrot, my potato, and my dumplings. And remember, this is untraditional soup. So this is a non-traditional soup. So not your regular soup. It's basically using the ingredients that I have. So yeah. So I'm gonna let those boil until the potatoes are all the way nearly cooked, and then I'll come back and show you the rest of the ingredients. Please remember to give the video a like. Thank you. Okay, so meanwhile I'm waiting for the rest of my food to boil in the pot, I'm going to be adding in my pumpkin soup mix to this bowl right here. I'm also going to be adding in some pork flavored noodle soup mix. Yeah. I'm going to be adding this in. I'm just cutting it with my scissors, and then I do this so I can get some cold water to put on this and mix it round. You don't just pour it straight in the pot, because if you do that it will clump up, and I don't want that. So stay tuned for the next stage. So my potatoes and the rest of my ingredients have been boiling now for a little while. The potato has been in for about 3 minutes. I'm now going to add my noodle mix, and that's in cold water, like I said I was going to do. And then I just pour that in, and then I'm going to mix that all in. Yeah, see how nice it's looking? And this is called not so traditional soup. So now to the pot, I'm going to be adding in my seasoning, guys, my dry seasoning. In this bowl right here, I've got some basil, some oregano, some thyme, some parsley, some black pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. So all the seasonings are 1 teaspoon each, apart from the all-purpose seasoning, which is a tablespoon. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding in all of this to my pot. I've also got 1 teaspoon of table salt or cooking salt in that as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna just mix that in, just give it a little bit of a mix, and I'm gonna cover it with the lid, and I'm gonna leave it to now boil for probably about another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and add the rest of the ingredients. Stay tuned, guys. Remember, guys, to give the video a like. Thank you. Okay, so my soup ingredients have been boiling for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. So in my calendar strainer, I've got some red peas, which has been washed and drained. I've also got some chickpeas, and I've also got some butter beans or broad beans. Yeah, and those are the last ingredients to be added. Reason why they've been cooked already, guys. So I've washed them and drained them like I said, and I'm gonna pour them into my pot. And that's basically it. So I'm just gonna wait for them to obviously get the temperature of the soup, and then the soup is literally done. And like I said, this is not so traditional soup, veggie soup. Not so traditional, yeah? Because a lot of these ingredients you wouldn't necessarily put them in soup, or maybe you can, but this is not the way how you would make Jamaican soup. So not so traditional Jamaican soup. And that's how it's looking. So I'm going to leave it to boil for another minute or two, and then I'm going to turn off the stove and plate it up. Please stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. So this is it, guys. It's done. The stove is off, but it's still bubbling. So I'm going to plate it up now, and then I'm going to come back and show you the finished dish. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, so soup is done, and I am now going to plate it up. So that's my bowl, and there's my soup, my nice veggie, untraditional Jamaican soup. Can I call it Jamaican soup, guys? I'm not sure. But anywho, that's my soup. Let's get some more of this goodness, guys. Look at that. Absolutely divine. It's looking delicious, guys. It's looking delicious, and that's gonna be mine. You just add a little bit more soup. Yeah. And then let me get a spoon. Let me grab a spoon, guys, so I can give it a stir. So that's it, and that's how it's looking. Got my carrot, my potato, my dumpling, my chickpeas, my red peas, and my butter bean or broad bean. And that's it right there. And I'm going to tuck in and enjoy this. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think about this soup. Maybe someone made this type of soup, I don't know. But I know you've got similar veggie soup, but this is just not the way that you would make Jamaican soup. So this is just my way of making this soup. Also, guys, I made it with the ingredients that I had in the fridge. So that's it. So thank you for watching. Bye. See you soon.